This is my Porsche 981 Cayman S, and today we're going on a POV drive because last video, if you haven't seen it, we've installed a brand new exhaust, and now this is probably one of the loudest Porsche 981 Caymans in the world, and I'm not even exaggerating with that. Just wait until you hear it. If you didn't see last video, we've now installed a titanium straight piped exhaust from Ninemeister. This exhaust does have valves, but the valves aren't connected yet, so it is just fully straight pipes. The valves are open. We will get to installing the valves, but I just need to get a couple of things so we can hook up all the electrics. But until then, you can see already the tips have started to go purple and blue and yellow and started to look insane because, like I say, it's fully titanium. But that's not all that we've done to this car, because about a year ago, when I first got this car, I installed FabSpeed race headers. Now, FabSpeed headers are the things that make it scream. They're the things that make it high pitched. So that was something I did straight away, and now it's taken me a year, and we've finally completed the rest of the exhaust, putting the titanium straight pipe with an X pipe, and it just sounds mental. I've done a few other tasty little modifications. The car, when I bought it, was just standard black with red calipers. I've put Tiffany stripes on it. I've got a Tiffany key and a Tiffany brake calipers as well. I've put brand new brakes and pads all round. It's just had its 2-year major service. That's literally all the oils, everything that's been done to it. I've also got lowering springs on this car, so it is a little bit lower, as you can see, than the standard, so it sits really nice, and we have wheel spaces on as well. I do absolutely love the look of this car, and also we have an upgraded brand new steering wheel as well. We've got the Alcantara with the Tiffany stitching, just the newer style steering wheel, because I think this is one of the best looking steering wheels ever. Like, this is such a nice looking steering wheel. We've got the carbon magnetic paddles as well, so it just, everything about this car is dream spec at the minute, and I absolutely love it. When we got the valve connected, then it'll be perfect, but until then it is so loud. So without further ado, let's hop inside and let's turn this on and go for a drive. All right, here it goes. Oh, it's not a cold start. It's like it's already a little bit warm, as you can see, and it's a very hot day today. Let me go around the back. Now, on cold start, this is insanely loud. When it idles around like this, it's actually not too bad. What is really nice about this exhaust is at low revs, and I'm talking literally, if you go above 2,000 revs with this, it is seriously, seriously loud. But below 2,000 revs, it's actually not awful. It's not too bad, but you're about to see that. Let's hit the road and show you what this car sounds like. All right, so while we're waiting for the car to warm up, it's a good time to show you guys, with the windows up, just driving around slowly around town, doing like everyday kind of driving. You can kind of get a feel of what it's like to be in the drone, and it is a little bit droney. And what I mean, like, you have to stay below 2,000 revs. If you go above 2,000 revs or hit 2,000 revs, this thing drones a lot and it is very, very noisy. But everyday driving you can kind of get away with. Now, not really, because cold start in the morning is ridiculous. We don't drive this much anyway. This is a weekend car. This is only used for fun. So I think I've already had enough of driving like this. So let's put it into sport mode. This thing really is, now I like to call it a budget GT3. Because for this, I mean, this is 31,000, just a little bit more than 31,000 pounds is what this car cost me. I think for that money, you're getting a car that sounds literally identical to a GT3. I mean, you do have to put a lot of money into the exhaust system. This exhaust system is not cheap. It would probably, if you were going to buy it brand new, off the shelf, fitted, all installed for you, it'd probably be around the 7 to 8 grand mark, which is absolutely ridiculous, and it's almost a third of the value of the car. But when you hear it, it will be worth it. And we are getting to a country lane now, so let's go windows down, hit a few downshifts. And let's open her up a bit. Oh my God. I'm going to put the sport suspension on so it just sits a bit firmer. Oh my God! Every time. Jesus Christ. Oh my days. Honestly, the camera does not do it justice. It's loud on camera, but in person, that is ear-piercingly loud. Jesus Christ. mean, oh mate, it might be a bit far-fetched, but it's been compared multiple times in person and on comments on videos to a Gintani. Now everyone loves a Gintani exhaust on a GT3 RS on an Aventador. It's that kind of level, and I'm not even joking. It's absolutely bonkers. And to think that this isn't a supercar, this isn't a hypercar, this isn't even a £100,000, it's a £30,000 car. I mean, and it sounds like that. It's absolutely bonkers. But like we're going through this little village now, we're literally crawling through, trying to be as quiet as possible. Like I say, with the valves connected, it'll be even better. Them burbles are a joke. It literally is like, there's like a little explosion every gear change. When you put it in Sport Plus, those pops on the upshift, they disappear and it's just smooth, like poof, poof. This thing, unfortunately, when you are going 70, it is around the 2K mark, so it does drone a lot. If you're wondering what it's like, 70 mile an hour, it does drone. So the valves, I'm gonna literally be so pleased when they're on, but I have got gassed on track in like 2 weeks time now. So I want them for the drive up to there, because otherwise my ears will be bleeding by the time we get there. Go windows down again. I've not actually, I don't think I've ever put my throttle down actually with the windows up, because I've always been like, sod it, let's go windows down. Let me try it with the windows up and what it sounds like in here. Oh my God. That sounds quite weird. It sounds sick, but it's like all the noise is now coming behind me. Usually it comes obviously through the windows. That sounds insane. Oh my God. Right, let's go Sport Plus now. See what I mean by the shifts? Very much no pops on the upshift, just literally through, straight to the next gear. I've got this exhaust from Ninemeister as well. I don't know if I mentioned, but all their links will be down in the description if you guys are interested. Oh, it sounds so good, man. Jesus Christ, man. Honestly, let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think this is over the top, or do you think this is just the sweet spot, the best sounding thing ever? Like and subscribe, because we're going to be doing way more videos of this. We're going to be putting the valves on. That'll be interesting how that sounds. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Ninemeister. All their links will be in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Probably be on track with this thing, going flat out around Silverstone. So yeah, like and subscribe.